scared. He'll be getting his checkup next. Pink car is ready to go. Don't be nervous, blue car. First, Pit will use his pliers.
Oh no! My car!
He's running away. His windshield wiper is broken. Officer Pumpkin will find him. But not if Blue Car hides in a tunnel. There's a clue.
My car was here!
Oh no, this place is scary.
I can't see anything.
He went through a stop sign. And broke his hood. Slow down, Blue Car. It's another clue. Blue Car, you lost a tire.
Oh no! This is its wheel!
Phew, that was close. Follow the car tracks.
There it is!
Why did you run away?
I'm afraid of checkups.
Checkups are necessary so that you don't get into an accident.
Mechanics are like doctors for cars. He just needs a new battery, Pit. See, checkups aren't scary at all.
Now I will never be afraid of checkups.
You can't catch me! The needle isn't real!
Kids, it's time for a shot.
Hey!
Needles are scary!
It will help protect you.
There are germs everywhere! But a needle can protect you from them!
Don't be afraid. It's good for your health, kids.
I'm going to be brave! It's done?
Well, it didn't hurt at all. Pit, now it's your turn.
Where did Pit go?
Oh, Pit!
I think he's in the cupboard.
Oh, come on. Calm down, dear.
Okay, Pit, time for your needle. But Pit, needles keep you safe from getting sick. See, you're not protected. I have an idea.
See, he looks like you.
You look like a superhero.
He is so brave.
I want to be brave too.
There, Pit, you did it.
This is for your bravery.
Thank you, Doctor.
Oh, Pit. And now you'll stay healthy. Pit is washing his car. Now it looks so clean and shiny. I got some mud on your car, Pit. I think being dirty makes Pit's car angry. Pit's much happier now. Pit wants to clean my car. I like my car just the way it is. What's wrong with being messy? Time to go for a drive. Come on, pink car. Pink car's being silly. I want to drive. Help me, Pit. I'm stuck. Hurry, Pit. Save me. Pete, help me. Not the mailbox. Not the flowers. Not the fence. Maybe Pit can help Mr. Potato. Watch out for the puddle, Perry. I'm sorry. Maybe Pit can help. That's much better. Now Pit can come save me. I think Pit needs help. Blue car, use your wings. Please help me. Am I finally safe? Thank you, Pit. But why is Pink Car still sad? What's wrong, Pink Car?
Penny treated me really badly.
I did?
Treat your car like your best friend, Penny.
I'll treat all my things better. Pink Car, you look happier already. Hooray! It's a great day for a drive. Oh, it's Mr. Lemon. And he stole our colors. Without color, our cars don't work.
I'm calling the police monster truck.
Oh, please help us.
We must catch the color thief.
There he is, and he's stealing more colors. He turned the traffic light gray. Now there's a traffic jam. We'll never get past. Yay! Now we can drive over the cars. Watch out for the nails. That sign is blocking the road. We'll have to jump over it. We trapped Mr. Lemon. He stole the police truck's color. That car garage can help us. I choose pink. Hit one's blue. Mr. Pumpkin likes black. Wow, it looks better than ever. Not this time, Mr. Lemon. Now we have your color.
I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
We forgive you.
Oh, thank you.
We have to put all the colors back. See, it's more fun being nice. It's cold and raining outside. Toy car is all alone. Don't worry, it's only baby. She wants to play with you. First, toy car needs to be cleaned up. Baby knows what to do. That's much better. Toy car got hurt. What are you gonna do, baby? A bandage won't fix the dented hood.
I want to play too!
Pit, you're much too big. Look, toy car has no more energy. Toy toy cars don't drink milk, baby.
This is for little babies.
Pit thinks chips are a better idea. But toy cars can't run on chips. Daddy, can you make toy car better?
Each toy needs proper care.
Toy car uses electricity for energy. Just plug him in. Now he's ready to play. But his hood needs to be fixed. A plunger will do the trick. Toy car is as good as new. Time for baby to take a ride. We're going on a bus ride today. Look, here it is now. Pit, don't cut in line.
Pit, you should stay in line.
We have to wait our turn. Let's find our seats. Pit wants to play tag. I'm gonna catch him. Ow! Maybe we should stay in our seats.
Kids, don't run in a bus. It's not safe.
We're sorry, Miss Tomato. Pit, move for the man with the crutches.
Thank you, young man.
Well done, Pit. Pit!
Whoops! I'm sorry.
Now Mrs. Lettuce can sit down. I'm bored. I know. I'll watch some videos. Oh no! The noise woke up Mrs. Lettuce.
Penny, it's too loud. You'll disturb other passengers.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll use my headphones. Now I won't disturb anyone else. What is that passenger up to? He's stealing her purse.
He's a thief.
Hit is a hero.
Thank you, young man.
Well done, son.
I need to get these ducklings across the road. Hit is stopping the cars. Mr. Lemon is up to something. Pit, we did it!
The ducklings are safe! Mission complete!
Mr. Lemon stole our car!
We need to catch him!
I know what to do!
We need backup!
Officer Pumpkin will help us!
Hey!
Let's go catch Mr. Lemon! You can't hide from us! Watch out, Officer Pumpkin! We need to drive very carefully. Phew, we made it, but...
Oh no! He's getting away!
Mr. Lemon can't drive across the lake, so he'll float across instead. Our monster truck can't float.
Oh no! We can't jump over it!
But Officer Pumpkin knows what to do. Pit, don't play with the buttons.
Please press this button.
Now we're tall enough to drive across. Pit has a plan. We'll pop the raft with a thumbtack.
I surrender. Well done, kids.
Mr. Lemon sunk our car. Ooh, we get our own monster truck. Thank you, Officer Pumpkin. Blueberry is playing with her new toy robot. There's the car. But where's the robot?
Oh no! I've lost my robot!
Officer Pitt is here to help.
If something is lost, the police will find it!
Now where could it be? Pitt thinks it fell down the manhole. Pitt and Blueberry will pull it up. Ooh, a treasure chest!
It's not a robot!
You'll need to keep looking.
I found the robot!
Go get your robot, Blueberry! Uh-oh. The hot sun heated the sandbox. Now what can you do, Pit?
Woo, 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 woo! Firefighters will save us from the fire!
Hurry! The robot's in trouble! Water will cool down the sand. You caught the robot, but something is wrong. He has no more energy.
Oh no, it's broken!
Pit, who can help now?
An ambulance will save him!
His heart is not working!
Pit, he needs medicine. Yay! The robot is fixed. He just needed new batteries.
Thank you!
Have fun with your robot, Blueberry. Pit and I love our toys, but we have to put them away for lunch. Broccoli? Pit would rather eat candy. Mommy doesn't want us eating candy for lunch, Pit. Hurry, Mommy! Pit's eating all of the candy. Now he has a toothache. Pit's afraid of dentists. And he's running away.
Pit, don't be afraid of the dentist. He wants to help you.
Maybe a toy will help. Look at all the happy teeth. Oh no, that's a rotten tooth. Now they're all rotten. Pit needs help. Dr. Carrot will save him. That's better. And now Pit's toothache is gone.
Remember these simple rules. Brush and floss your teeth. Eat only healthy snacks. Visit a dentist for checkup.
Time for lunch.